Today is the 4th of April, and we are celebrating the 4th of April. It's the birthday of Abdullah Ocalan. And with the celebration of the birthday of Abdullah Ocalan, we are celebrating actually the meaning he has for the revolution, for the struggle, for the resistance, not only in this region, not only here in Rojava, not only in the Middle East, or in all 4 parts of Kurdistan, but even the impact he has in very different parts of this world. To understand this, I mean, we have to look at the situation we are living in, the systems we are fighting against, what they are creating, and what we are actually against. To look what we are for, what kind of life we are for, what kind of hope, which is really a hope and not just like an illusion, a self-centered escape. We have to understand this very well to understand actually the meaning of Abdullah Ocalan, because when we say we celebrate like the resistance and the struggle, then it's also to look at what does it mean to resist, what does it mean to struggle. Abdullah Ocalan today is still in Imrali, he's in isolation, and he's continuously, I mean, he wrote 5 very important books, which the last ones, I mean, these 5 which are reached out like in a lot of different places of the world. A lot of people are discussing, a lot of people are affected by the thoughts of Abdullah Ocalan. And to create an alternative in a world which is continuously trying to frustrate, destruct, to divide, to destroy, to kill the meaning of life, to create in this an alternative, a real alternative. This is actually what Abdullah Ocalan, for me, is standing for. Creating the will to live, creating the will to fight for life. In this like destruction, chaos, a lot of places of the world are facing today, there's a lot of, let's say, potential. What is the potential? A lot of people are frustrated, a lot of anger is there. There's a lot of like, there's something wrong. And people are willing also like to fight against this with very different ways, even until weaponized ways against that what they think is destructing them. But I think for the most people it's more a decision like to fight, and the question is to fight to be ready to die. But for Abdullah Ocalan always, and with this for us all, it's always like you fight for life. And this is also like the values we are fighting for, the values Abdullah Ocalan was giving like in all his teaching to all the people he influenced. This is the main differences I think also I see in this revolution, I see in his approach and all the approach of the people who were influenced by him, that this will to create another life and not in defending, just create destruction. So when we celebrate the 4th of April, celebrating his birthday, then it is a special celebration of life, and to give meaning to this life, because only with this we can like continue a struggle, only with this we can continue like the revolution, only with this we can create really like a difference, an alternative to the destructive systems we are facing today. We call out for everybody to participate in the actions and everything which leads to the freedom of Abdullah Ocalan, because his freedom should be also considered as your freedom, as our freedom, and therefore participate whenever you can in this moment for this struggle, his struggle, our struggle, to fight the system at its sources, like he's doing, Abdullah Ocalan is doing. So therefore, freedom for Abdullah Ocalan and freedom for Abdullah Ocalan.